Revise whatever we have studied in last class and then continue. Okay. Sorry. So in the last class, we have studied about, we have started a new chapter, that is trigonometry, correct? So what is trigonometry?
Three sides measurement.
Three side measurement. So that is what is called trigonometry we have studied. Now in trigonometry, we got to know that we have to have a right angled triangle, correct? Only for a right angled triangle we are applying this. And there we have seen few trigonometric ratios. Now what are these trigonometric ratios? One is sine theta. Now what is theta is the question. This symbol what we have written here. Okay. Now out. So this is our angle. To this angle we are going to write the trigonometric function ratios. Okay. Now here this angle we have given some names. So this is to read as theta. Okay. It is written like this. It is a Greek alphabet. So usually we use Greek alphabets to represent all these things. Either it can be theta, or we can also use alpha, or we can use beta, anything like that. Okay. Or you can just tell any English alphabet also, A, B, C, anything you can give. Fine. Angle is represented using an alphabet. Where theta is also an alphabet, it is a Greek alphabet. Simple thing. It is representing angle to us. Understood? Fine. Now, we have seen what is sine theta. Sine theta will be opposite by hypotenuse. Cos theta will be adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan theta will be opposite by adjacent. Now, can you tell me the reciprocal of sine theta?
Hypotenuse है opposite.
What is that called?
Cosecant.
Cosecant. Cosecant theta will be equal to hypotenuse by opposite, correct? And for cos, it will be what is the reciprocal of cos?
Secant.
Yes, secant. Secant theta. So secant theta will be equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side, correct? And what will be reciprocal of tan theta?
Cotangent.
Cotangent or cot theta. We can just abbreviate it as cot theta, correct? So that is what cot theta will be equal to?
Adjacent by.
Yes, adjacent by opposite. Right? So these trigonometric ratios we have learned. Now we will learn some more trigonometric ratios. So these ratios you have to remember. I will give you an easy method to remember them. These are called standard angles. So for these standard angles, now A is the angle we have taken. A is, okay, blue and blue not visible. Let me write in red or yellow or green. Okay, black I've taken. So this is angle A. Okay. So sine of angle A. If you want theta, you take theta only. whatever is comfortable for you. Take A, B, C, D, whatever you want, you can take. Okay. So these are standard angles: 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. How to remember this table? I will teach you a little easy method. Fine. First, we will write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Write the numbers like this. Okay. Then we just only for the first column I am teaching this. If you remember the first column, I'll write it here. Only for the first column what to do. Okay, it is an easy method to remember. If you know your first column, all the others you will tell by yourself. You don't have to remember them. Okay. So first we will write 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. After that, we will divide it by 4. Divide everything by 4. What do we get? I'll write it here. So 0 by 4 is 0. First understand, Siddharth. First understand, then I'll give you time to write. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. 0 by 4 is 0. 1 by 4 will be 1 by 4 only. 2 by 4. 2 by 4 will become 2 ones are, 2 twos are. So it is 1 by 2. 3 by 4 is 3 by 4 only. And 4 by 4 will become 1. Correct? Next, we are taking square root for everything. Just take a square root for everything. Okay? What do we get? Let me write that here. Square root of 0. What is square root of 0?
0.
0. Square root of 1 by 4. So square root of 1 by 4 means square root of 1 divided by square root of 4. How much is square root of 4?
2.
2. So we can write it as 1 by 2. Square root of 1 is 1. Correct? So 1 by 2 we will get here. Right? So 1 by 2. Understood? Huh? Now this will be for 45 degree. What we will get? For
Root
45 degree,
1
it
by
becomes
2.
1
Root 1 by
root
2.
1, root 1 divided by root 2. Root 1 is 1 only. Root 2, we will keep it as root 2. So 1 by root 2. Correct? Understood what I wrote? Yes or no? If you nod your heads, I cannot understand. You have to tell yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Ma'am.
So now here, this becomes root 3 divided by root 4. What is root 3? Root 3 only. Root 4? What is root 4?
2.
2.
2. So root 3 by 2 you get. Okay. And square root of 1 is 1 only. Understood? You don't have to remember these things. What you have to remember is only what is written inside this column. How did I get? We did this method. Got it? Understood? So if you remember the first column, all the other columns are easy. Otherwise, one more method is there. What is the other method? You have numbers from 0 to 1. So between 0 to 1, what all you get? Between 0 to 1, what is the center of 0 to 1? Half. Correct? The midpoint of 0 and 1 will be half. So that half will be written here. 0, 1. Half is not written at the center. Instead, we write it here. Okay? The other two you will have to remember. Just mug it up. Whichever method you feel easy, remember in that method. But first column you have to remember. That is tan, instead of A, you have to put 0 degree. So tan 0 degree will be, sorry, not tan, sorry, sine 0 degree will be 0. Sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. Sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. And sine 90 degree is 1. You will have to remember only the first column. Okay. Now, what about the second column? Second column is just reverse of first column. So, reverse of first column means whatever you have for 90, I will write here 1. Then comes root 3 by 2. Then comes 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, and 0. Okay. Now, tan is sine by cos, correct? Tan is sine by cos. So, we'll just divide these terms. 0 by 1. What is 0 by 1?
0.
0. Now, we have 1 by 2 whole divided by root 3 by 2. So, 2 and 2 gets cancelled. What is remaining?
1 by root.
So, your answer is 1 by root 3. Got it? And now these two, everything gets cancelled. Answer is 1, right? Here, root 3 by 2 whole divided by 1 by 2. Now again, 2 and 2 gets cancelled. What is remaining? Root 3. Now 1 by 0. What is 1 by 0? 1 by 0 is not defined, or we say it is infinity, because infinity is also not defined. We don't know the value of infinity. When we say not defined, it means we don't know. Understood? So we can write it as infinity also. Got it? Okay. Now, can you tell me for cosecant? Cosecant is reciprocal of sine, correct? You only do it and tell me now. What will be cosecant 0? What will be cosecant 0?
Not defined.
1 by 0. 1 by 0 is not defined. Or you can say infinity, correct? Next. Cosecant 30. What will be cosecant 30 now?
2.
2. Reciprocal of whatever you have in sine, correct? Yes. Next. Cosecant
Root
45. Root 2. Cosecant 60.
2 by root 3.
Correct. 2 by root 3. Cosecant 90.
1.
1. Got it? Next. Secant. Now, will you people write it? You understood, right, how to do it? So, first column, if you remember, all the others are very easy. So, when you get your question paper, or as soon as you get your answer paper, write this column in some corner and keep. Whenever you are solving the trigonometric problems, you can look into the column and simplify. Got it? Understood the method how to remember? Everyone?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Shreya, Siddharth, Anaga?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now
Yes,
you can write. Now secant and cot, you only have to write it.
Mama, 1 by infinite will be 0 now.
1 by infinity is 0. Yes. Finished, everyone? Okay. Now, can you tell me what is secant A? That is secant 0 degree.
1.
Okay. Secant 0 is 1. Secant 30,
2 by root 3.
2 by root 3. Correct. Secant 45.
Root 2.
Correct. And
2.
secant 60, 2.
2.
Secant
Not
90.
defined.
Yes.
Not defined.
Okay. Next, cot 0.
Not defined.
Cot 0 is not defined. And cot 30.
Root.
Root 3.
Cot 30, root 3. Cot 45,
1.
1. And cot 60,
1 by root 3.
1 by root 3. Correct. And cot 90,
0.
0. So, see here, like how sine and cos are exactly opposite to each other, right? In the same way, tan and cot will be opposite to each other, correct? For cot, here you will get infinity. Here it will be root 3. Here it will be 1 by root 3. This is 0 and 1 will remain 1. Correct? See, tan and cot are opposite. Secant and cosecant also will be opposite to each other, right? So always, so if you just remember the first column, now we can write all the other columns. Understood, right? Now, first column you should remember. For the first column to remember also, I have taught you a method. Only these two you will have to remember. If you remember only these two terms properly, then first column also you can write easily. Correct? First number will be 0 and the last number will be 1. And then after 0, we will write half. Then these two numbers you have to remember. 1 by root 2 and root 3 by 2. Got it?
Yes.
So as I told, as soon as you get your answer paper, in your answer paper only you write. Don't write it on your question paper. You will have a working column in the answer paper. There, you just write this as soon as you get your answer paper. Okay? Whenever it is required, you can go, you can refer this column whenever required. Fine?
Ma'am,
Understood? Yes.
ma'am, my laptop is having some issues. So can I switch off my video for today?
Yes, your video is already off, I think. Yeah, fine. So understood, right, everyone? How to remember? So next class I'll ask you. Will you able to tell me? Okay, fine. So next is trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Now, let us again tell only the first column once. Only for first column. So I'll write like this: sine theta. Sine theta for 0 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, 45 and 90 degree. Or okay, I just messed it up. 1 minute. First comes 45, then comes 60. 45, 60. Yes. Can you tell me? Sine 0?
0.
0. Sine 30?
1/2.
So how I told? First you will write 0 here, 1 here. Okay. Shreya, can you mute this disturbance? Yeah. So 0 here, 1 here you will write. Then you will write half. Then these two you have to remember. This will be 1 by root 2. This is root 3 by 2. That's it. Correct? If cos theta is asked, then 1 root 3 by 2. Then comes 1 by 2. 1 by root 2, 0. Okay?
1 by
Ready?
root 2, then 1 by.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Okay. Then next, tan theta will be 0, 0, 1 by root 3, and this will be
1.
1 root 3 and infinity. Immediately we can write cot theta. Cot theta is exactly opposite. So infinity root 3, 1, 1 by root 3, 0. Correct? Next, cosecant. Cosecant is infinity and then 2 root 2, 2 by root 3 and 1. Right? And what is secant? Secant theta is exactly opposite of this. So you can write like this: 1, 2 by root 3, 1 by root 2. Correct? Is it 1 by root 2? Only 2, root 2.
Only root.
Okay, only root 2. Yes, only root 2. And then comes 1 by 2,
2.
2, not 1 by 2, 2 and infinity. Yeah. Right? Understood this? No more doubts. Anybody has any doubt here? No, right?
Secant 90 is 0.
Secant 90 will be infinity, dear. 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is infinity. Correct? Yeah. Now, everyone, please re-log in.